All right, friends, today we're going to start our 2-point perspective drawing. When you first get your paper, you're going to do a horizon line across the whole entire length of your paper, and then you're going to place 2 vanishing points on either end. Remember when you are starting this project that you need to draw with the lightest touch possible. So this horizon line is going to be erased eventually. So I barely touch it with my pencil to draw the line. We're going to draw a vertical line very close to this vanishing point right here. And then with this line, we're going to attach the top and the bottom to both the vanishing point on this side and the vanishing point on this side. Now what you see is kind of like this enormous wall. This wall goes back into space on this side, and we're standing right here at the corner of the wall, and the other side of the wall goes back to the other vanishing point. We're going to take this wall and we're going to make it into our name. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start here on our vertical line, and we're going to write our name, but your name has to fit between these 2 orthogonal lines. That means it's going to be getting smaller as it goes back to that vanishing point. Think about first sketching out your name nice and soft with your pencil, a nice loose grip, and sketching out each letter of your name in block letters. So my first name being Erica, my vertical lines are going to be vertical. My other lines are going to match up with those orthogonal lines. And I just lightly sketch it out. Vertical lines stay vertical the entire way. Now that we have our name sketched out in block letters, I actually don't need this line anymore guiding me. So any spot that I don't need it, I can erase it. This is part of my E, so I'm going to keep that. But this right in here, that's not a part of my R really. I can erase all those spots. Now this looks great. I can see my letters in block, but I remember I want to make this as a 2-point perspective, and we haven't used this vanishing point yet. To make my letters look 3-dimensional as if they are going back into space on both sides, I want to actually use this other vanishing point with every vertices I see in my work. So anytime I have 2 lines connecting, I'm going to take that spot back to the vanishing point. So in other words, right here on my E, on that corner, I'm going to take it all the way back towards the vanishing point. If it goes into a letter, you stop. So right there it hit my E, so I stop. Again, here's a corner, and then I go to my E, and then it hit my E, so I stop there. The reason I didn't do this one is because it'd be going through my E, and we don't need it to go through our E. We don't need to see that line. As the viewer standing at the corner, we don't see the line there. So just like that on the R, there's a corner. I take it all the way back until I hit a letter. Same thing here. The other vanishing point drawn in. And now we need to add in the stopping point. So in other words, this E is going all the way back to that vanishing point, but I want it to be a block letter that stops before then. So I'm going to add in another vertical line. And that's going to be the ending point for that E. The same thing here with my R. Notice that my I needed that vertical line. The C is a little bit different because it's curved, so I'm actually going to add in a curved line. And now I can go back and I can erase all those lines that I don't need. So this line with the vanishing point is now no longer needed. Same thing with these lines right here. All right there, friends, we have it all the way completed. This is my name in 2-point perspective. Now I have a block of letters that I could walk along here as a viewer, and I could walk along here as a viewer. We're standing at the corner of my E, looking at both directions, into the vanishing point and into the distance here as well.